Hi. So, I'm gonna try and relax because I get very excited when I have packages to open. Yeah, so it's gonna be an Aritzia unboxing. This is my second Aritzia haul for the year. You can watch my first one here if you haven't yet. That one is for the grown woman, but this one here is for the casual, sporty girl who occasionally may or may not work out, or who likes to lounge or run errands in comfy pieces. So let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
3 bags to share with you guys. It was kind of unintentional. I really only made 2 orders, but then one thing was, I think they call it being back ordered or special ordered. These videos kind of make me a little bit nervous because I slightly pride myself in online shopping. You can also watch that video that I posted a few weeks ago on finding the perfect size, style, and fit online. I'm pretty confident in all of these pieces. It's just one thing that's making me a little bit nervous. So, I wish I knew it was inside. Okay, I really hope this isn't the scary one because I really hope it works out because essentially I'm really into sets at the moment. Like, if you don't have a set, you kind of need to unsubscribe. I'm joking, I need you. But like, sets are just it, like to work out in, to run errands in. I just love how they look matching together. So essentially, I want to make sure the colors match on the tops and the bottoms for these items. And one of them, they said they were the same color, but the resolution on the computer screen looks a little different. Which one is this? Okay, this is the one that matches for sure, for sure. Oh, okay, so I have these. Wow, this looks tiny. But I'm sure it stretches. So it's this bike short set in this kind of like turquoisey seafoam-ish color. It has like this high neck. Is this a halter top? Forgetting some of my lingo. This I got in an extra small because it came in only 2 sizes. Extra small, and then medium large. And then for my top, I wanted to make sure it was a small. And then for the bottom, I got a medium large, which is all that was left. But to be honest, I feel like that would be best for my butt. It's like I'm really into sets. Okay, let's try it on. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is really high-waisted, and like the medium large, I'm so glad I went with, like for the bottoms. This is so cute, but like I feel like I need to fold this down so you can like see some stomach. Because then I don't want it to look like a, you know those things, they're called like unitards? I don't want to look like I'm wearing that. Oh, this color is so pretty. And I like that it's like not too light. Booty, oh, is that kind of sheer? You can kind of see the tag a bit. Can you see my cheeks? I think it's okay. Guys, this is really cute. I'm here for it. I think I can get away without wearing a bra with this one. Okay, out of breath. Calm down, collect your thoughts. I think it's really amazing that Aritzia's quality, I don't know, despite them being like a little bit more expensive than like your everyday kind of like garage, but like cheaper than like, I don't know, like a Sandro or something, their price point, I find it like stands in their quality. Their quality is amazing. I find like their fabrics are just like a little bit thicker so you can get away without wearing a bra, because like, to be honest, like, I'm actually not team free the nipple. If you are, like, do your thing. Like, kudos to you, but personally, my nipples are none of your business. For me, if I can get away wearing something with a darker color, to be honest, they probably might stand at attention occasionally. It gives them a little bit of lift. They look round, and like, this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't work out in this set, to be completely honest. I thought the neck was going to come a little bit higher. Maybe my boobs are just a bit too big for it, so maybe that's why. But this is so cute. I need to show my sister, like, real quick. She likes it. Like, okay, I'm going to wrap up my thoughts and we're going to get to the next one. But I just want to say I'm such a big fan of color at the moment. Like, back in the day, when I say that, I mean like maybe about 2 years ago or so, all I would wear is black and white. I just feel like color is so flattering on any skin tone. Black and white is just so boring now. That's why I like make it a mission to like have a theme or whatever, and like embrace color, especially because it's summertime. Especially because it's summertime. I'm noticing, I watched back that video, like maybe I might pull them down a bit lower so I don't have so much camel toe. But yeah, other than that, it's good. Yeah, it's not sheer. It's not sheer. It's only because the tag was in it. There's also a dress version of this, like a mini dress. I'm so glad I went with the top and the bottom because I feel like they're interchangeable. If I were to wear this like out like and about, like running errands and in the city, I would wear it with like a flannel over top of it or like some sort of cardigan. But like if I'm like in the house, like I would just wear it as is. It's actually an item I had ordered like a while back. Oh dang, wow. I'm really outing myself. I kind of did make a lot of orders. I had wore this in my last video with me styling hair accessories, and yeah, I'll quickly put it on for you. Okay, look how crazy it was. See, I was ruining my bun hair, and then I had to put on this bonnet, and now I realize I need to put on a bra with it. Like, this dress is way too thin, like, no support, nips everywhere. Nude long sleeve dress. I really like the shade and the color of this. I think it's so pretty and just like a really easy basic. I would, to be honest, wear this on its own. Like, I love a good like fitted long sleeve item. It's a thinner fabric, so you're gonna see more lumps and bumps underneath it, but like, you're human, like you have them, like it's whatever. Just try and make sure you wear like some seamless underwear or something. You're gonna have to probably wear a thong. I got this one in a medium large, and I'm indifferent about the sizing. I think I wish I would have gotten an extra small, because I don't know, I just don't like this baggy part, but at the same time, like, it fits my boobs and it fits my butt well. I just wish the arms and the waist fit a bit better, but when you have like, when they only have like the two sizing thing, it's pretty hard sometimes. And I wore it in the last video with that snakeskin bag and the headband. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next one. I can open this big one here. Okay, so like I kind of opened this big one because I had to wear like one item to this barbecue that I had with my friends the other day. Like, we all love the 70s. Okay, and this color, okay, the color is perfect. The shade is so good. Like, I love a good 70s look, and I don't own a pair of flared jeans in my wardrobe. I'm a little nervous the flare might be too wide, but I think my height can handle it. We're gonna see. This is by Denim Forum, which is like Aritzia's own denim brand, but Aritzia does also sell other denim brands like A Goldie, like the shorts I was wearing in the beginning of this video, but I've never tried their own denim brand before, so let's see. I got these ones in a size 28. A little bit of a bleed in. They're pretty true to size so far, and they're really nice and high-waisted. Oh, so these are nice. I'm not gonna bother like put on another top, but like, let me like pan you guys down so you can see what's going on. So sorry, you're not gonna see my face for a bit, but like, so nice. And the waist isn't gaping too much as well too. I like that they made like the waist a bit smaller because it's high-waisted and it fits so well. I will admit, I wish the flare was slightly slimmer, but I could always like have it altered to like make it a bit more perfect. And I do like really want a pair of like split hem flare pants, kind of like the Citizen of Humanity pair, but these are really good. I feel like these would be so cute with my triple S's like coming over the top of them. And my triple S's have like a bit of height, so I feel like maybe I won't need to hem them. Don't really plan on wearing them with heels, but, or maybe I shouldn't hem them. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, so good. And I can't wait to style them with like some like little collared polo shirts, make it all 70s and cute and like colorful tops. Okay. So the next item that I have is a gray dress. I think a majority of my dresses that I own are from Aritzia. I just find them so figure flattering, and they just, I feel so on in their dresses. Like, stop making them. This gray jersey dress. This I know fits really well because I wore it the other day. Okay. So this is it. I feel so pretty in this, guys. Like, when I saw it, it came in like a brownie nude color. And I was like, ooh, that might be really nice against my skin tone. But I just felt like I would be almost naked because it's so fitted. So I'm like, let me opt for the gray. It also comes in black as well too. And I forgot to mention, like, all of these items are a part of Aritzia's clientele sale. Aritzia, like, needed to, like, not email me when they had that clientele sale. And I think to become a clientele, you have to spend, I think it's $500 a year at least. I think, like, there's different tiers to it, and I think if you spend like $1,000, you get like a gift or something. Originally, I ignored the email, and then I was like, ugh. And then 2 weeks later, I'm like, hey, like, let's just see. And then a lot of the stuff I wanted was sold out, but I put them in my wish list, and then I kept checking back, and some of them came back in stock, so that's why I had some separate orders. Honestly, if you ever see something out of stock, even when I link it down below, put it in your wish list, see if it comes back, or check your local Aritzia because they probably could have stock. I think it's so pretty, really easy jersey dress, a very high split. It is not for the faint of heart. If you're not someone who likes a high split, don't do it. But I think it's very flattering because, like, the dress is not like a pencil skirt. I love a skinny strap tank piece. I find it like really flattering. This dress is double layered, so the jersey knit is like really thick, so you don't have to wear a bra with it because it gives you some lift, and it's not paper thin, so your nips are gonna, like, you know, with the wind. I'm a little confused on how to wear the slit because the seam down the side comes and twists in the front, unless I'm supposed to be wearing it like this to the side, but I don't know. But I like it like this. I kind of like that twisted look. I don't know. It looks kind of cool. Let me show you guys the bottom. It's really cute. This is the slit. It's like a midi dress, kind of like those skirts I got in my last haul. And it's double layered, but again, it's a fitted dress. So, like, yeah, you're going to see some lumps and bumps. Like, who cares? Just embrace it. Like, it is what it is. I was wearing it at a barbecue, and I was eating, and I had a burger tum, but it's okay. I think it's really pretty. And a good go-to for the summer, a good summer dress. So next is this bag that, like, I'm a little bit nervous to open, but let's do it. Ordeal. They match, yes, they match. Okay, oh my gosh, yes, they match. Okay, they match. Yes! Okay, so now that they match, I'm a little bit nervous. It might be too similar to my skin, or it might be kind of weird. So it's essentially this legging set. Okay, let's just try it out. First off the bat, this is like really thin. I probably need a bra with this. Let's see. I can get away with it. Whoa, I might need a medium for these leggings. I like it. Oh my gosh. Like, we don't fully have our abs right yet, but it's okay. We gonna get there. Collect my thoughts. The color is a little bit similar to my skin tone, but I kind of like the look. Like, I'm not gonna probably just wear it like this on the street. Like, I'm gonna wear like some sort of hoodie or something on top of it. It's a little bit thin, so they will stand at attention a little bit. But because it's like a nude color, I feel like for me it's kind of okay. Like, it's kind of hidden. Watch, I edit it back and I'm like, whoa. The fit is really good. I'm wearing a small and a small. These are the Tna Atmosphere Leggings. Now, essentially I will always get a medium in leggings, but my sister told me, because she has the Tna Atmosphere shorts, like the bike shorts, which I've been trying to get. So essentially I wanted this color in the bike shorts. Sold out. All the pretty Atmosphere bike shorts are sold out, and they're only like $20. So I really, really want a white pair. Hopefully I can find it in like a store soon. My sister has those shorts, and she has them in like an extra, extra small, and she's usually a small. So I was like, I think I can size down in these leggings, and it works. So small and small. Oh, it's cute. It has like the little TNA logo, but like it's nuded out. It's the same color. Sorry I keep looking in the mirror, but like this is like the first time opening it, and I'm trying to gather my thoughts and like look at it. I love the fit. I love the cut of this little tank. It's so pretty. I love how high-waisted this is. It's really soft and comfy, so like I could actually get away in a workout with this, but nothing too high intensity because like I would need a sports bra. This is again more of a lounge piece or an errands piece. There was a hoodie that I wanted to get to match all of this. I really hope that comes back in stock because now that I like the set, it's really good. So I'm gonna wear these with like some like high socks, and like I don't know, some like retro sneakers or whatever, and then be like, I will say like it's not a workout set because you know why? This is moving around. Like this is definitely like really soft and like movable. It's meant to lounge in. Yeah, I really wanted the hoodie to match, and then on top of that, buying like some of Aritzia's like tracksuits. Their tracksuits are so good. I have quite a few on my wish list, but to be honest, I need to take a break from Aritzia. Probably the next haul will be like for the fall time, because I don't need any more summer pieces. Like summer, we have 2 more months, but I have a lot of stuff to wear and actually go through. Okay, let me go before I start annoying some people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch these other videos that you may have missed and click my head to subscribe. Follow me on the socials and Instagram so we could chit chat together. Click the bell so you know when I post videos. I'm so sorry I missed one last week. I just had a lot of things going on. But we back and we better. Or the same, but like kind of a little bit better. I love you guys so much and take care.